Welcome to Wonder Garden Channel, the place where you'll discover simple, effective plant care tips that you can easily apply at home. Many viewers on my channel often ask me whether the organic fertilizers I share can also be used on plants other than the ones featured in the videos. The answer is yes, but every plant species and every stage of growth has different nutritional requirements. That's why, if you want your plants to thrive, it's important to choose the right fertilizer and apply it at the appropriate time. Today I'm going to share another special organic fertilizer recipe made from common kitchen ingredients. This fertilizer can be used on many different plants in your garden, providing natural nutrients that help them grow healthier and more vigorously. If you enjoy caring for ornamental plants, be sure to watch this entire video to discover this simple yet incredibly useful recipe. Today's main ingredient is beetroot peel. Do you use beetroot regularly in your daily meals? Beetroot is a nutritious vegetable rich in natural compounds that are beneficial to human health. However, during food preparation, we usually peel it and throw the peel away as kitchen waste. What many people don't realize is that the peel still contains plenty of organic compounds and natural minerals that can be used to care for plants. So, today instead of throwing away the beetroot peel, I'm going to use it to make a simple organic fertilizer that provides additional natural nutrients for the plants in your garden. It's a great way to reuse kitchen scraps, save money, and reduce household organic waste. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After preparing the beetroot peel, chop it into small pieces. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps release the nutrients more easily during blending and soaking, resulting in a more uniform solution. Next, place all the chopped beetroot peel into a blender. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. Then add 3 teaspoons of white rice. Rice is a common kitchen ingredient that contains natural organic compounds and nutrients that may help improve the growing environment for plants. Finally, add 500 milliliters of clean water. Close the blender tightly and blend everything until the beetroot peel and rice are completely combined into a smooth mixture. Once blended, you'll have a nutrient-rich organic solution. Now, pour the entire mixture into a large container. Next, add 1 liter of clean water and stir thoroughly until everything is evenly mixed. After mixing well, cover the container tightly and allow it to ferment for about 3 days. During this time, fermentation will occur, helping break down the organic compounds from the beetroot peel and rice to create a nutrient-rich natural GE solution for plant care. After 3 days, you'll have your fermented GE solution made from beetroot peel and rice. At this point, use a fine strainer or cheesecloth to remove all of the remaining solids. Keep only the clear liquid for convenient use. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. This is a concentrated organic fertilizer solution. Do not use it directly. Instead, dilute it before applying it to your plants. For each application, simply mix about 200 milliliters of the GE. Concentrate with 2 liters of clean water. Diluting the solution helps distribute the nutrients more evenly while preventing plants from receiving an excessive amount of nutrients in a single application. Then stir well before using it on your plants. Pour the remaining concentrate into a clean bottle, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator for future use. Storing the solution in the refrigerator helps slow down natural changes over time, maintaining its stability and ensuring consistent quality when it is used again. Method 1. Wipe the leaves with the GE solution. First, soak a soft cotton pad or a soft cloth with the solution, then gently wipe it evenly across the surface of the leaves. This method is especially suitable for plants with large leaves, such as Phalaenopsis orchids, pothos, peace lily, and many other foliage plants. As you wipe the leaves, the natural nutrients in the solution come into direct contact with the leaf surface while also removing accumulated dust and residue. Be sure to gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, paying special attention to areas where dust tends to accumulate. Afterward, place the plant in a well-ventilated location so the leaves don't remain wet for too long, helping reduce the risk of fungal problems. This simple method keeps large leaf plants clean, glossy, healthy, and able to absorb light more efficiently. We truly appreciate you spending your time with us today. If this video inspired you or taught you something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural gardening tips every week. Method 2. Mist the entire canopy. For the second method, pour the diluted GE solution into a spray bottle. Then mist the entire plant, including both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. This method distributes the solution gently, provides moisture, and supplies additional natural nutrients during routine plant care. It's suitable for many different types of plants in your garden, including foliage plants, flowering plants, and potted plants. When spraying, apply only a light, even layer over the leaf surfaces, so the plants can absorb nutrients directly through the foliage, helping keep the leaves greener, glossier, and more attractive. The best time to spray is early in the morning or late in the afternoon when temperatures are lower, allowing plants to absorb the solution more effectively, while reducing the risk of leaf damage from direct sunlight. Using the solution regularly in appropriate amounts will help keep your plants lush, healthy, and full of life. Method 3. Water around the base of the plant. For the third method, pour the diluted GE solution into a watering can. Then water evenly around the base of the plant, allowing the solution to gradually soak into the growing medium and reach the root system. This method allows plants to absorb natural nutrients directly through their roots, supporting healthy growth and development. Apply only enough solution to evenly moisten the growing medium. Avoid overwatering, which can leave the pot waterlogged for extended periods. This method is suitable for most plants in your garden, including flowering plants, foliage plants, and container-grown plants. Regular use in appropriate amounts helps supply additional organic nutrients, improve the growing medium, and support long-term healthy plant growth. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. If you're having any difficulties while taking care of your plants, feel free to share your plant's condition in the comments so we can find the right solution together. Results. After consistently caring for your plants with this GE solution made from beetroot peel and rice, you'll begin to notice positive changes throughout your garden. The leaves will become glossier, the plants will grow more vigorously, and many new shoots will begin to emerge. Plants in their active growing stage will especially benefit from the additional natural nutrients, helping strengthen their root systems, improve their overall vigor, and maintain their beauty over time. This demonstrates that with nothing more than simple kitchen ingredients, we can create a safe, economical, organic fertilizer for our gardens. Instead of throwing away vegetable peels after cooking, try turning them into a valuable source of natural nutrition for your favorite plants. With patience and proper care, you'll soon enjoy a lush, healthy, and vibrant garden. What do you think about today's organic fertilizer recipe made from beetroot peel and rice? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other plant lovers. And be sure to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.